My name is Mohammed Ahmed. I serve in Bangladesh Army and I am a Lieutenant Colonel of Bangladesh Army. I have completed recently the PGDHRM with batch 55th. That was my course program actually. So first of all, I would like to express my feelings that this is a great opportunity to be here and speak few words about the BiMS. To answer you that I came to know one of my colleagues who had been graduated from this institution and he talked very high about it, and then that's how I get into this. Yes, in a military profession we do management very often. It's a part of our daily life, and it helped me a lot. It helped me of developing my thinking process and how to do the organizing or the management part in a systematic and very authentic way, I must say, having some knowledge of books and also knowledge taking from the faculty. That really helped me a lot. Well, as the course is short, so as far as the duration is concerned, the materials being provided by the course, I think this is okay. This is okay because this course is designed mostly for the professionals who do serve in different outfits, different organizations, and also side by side they undergo the course. So as far as the material is given, I think it's quite rich and enough. Yeah, surely, definitely I would like to say about HR law. That is a very delicate subject which is very pertinent to the every HR professionals, and to deal with things with more professionally, you have to know the laws and rules, laws of the land, and also what is the practice being going on there. So that's a new exposure to me, but I think like me, other also the participants, it helped them a lot. Well, in one word, they are excellent. The brand of instructors is outstanding. They are very caring and most of them are very energetic, young. So they had a very good relation. Actually, they had the mind. They had always the mind to make a good interaction with the course members. And I think we worked or studied here like a family. It's quite okay. This is good enough. Time to time we had been getting the course materials in our mails and notification prior to any program, important events, we used to get all those things. So as far as I am concerned, the service for the students by the BiMS was quite okay and appropriate. So far I had been telling all the good things. So to elaborate further, the environment itself is fantastic. The interaction, the course is design is such that through interaction we learn from each other's experience and share the knowledge of each other. So that's the environment the instructors or the faculty have created, and that gave us the exposure to interact with professionals of different tiers, different aspect of profession. So that's one good side, and the management aspect, I must say, that was quite well managing the course program, making things happen in timely program. So I think this is a very good part of the institution. Yeah, there is no end of room for improvement. Everything, everywhere, if you try and endeavor to improve, I think we will excel further. To my, as far as I am concerned, I can suggest that though the program is short, if it is possible to make a short visit to any institution to learn and see things practically, how the organization functions, how the change management is done, how the rules and laws are compliant there. So that could possibly help the freshers to learn in a more practical way and more effective way. That's my suggestion. Thanks to the BIM, thanks to the faculty and the team itself. Thanks a lot.
For details, please visit our website at www.bimsedu.com or call us at 01717 251 585.